Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like something's missing, not because you're unattractive, but because you know you could look and feel better with just a few simple tweaks? That tiny moment of awareness is powerful. It's the beginning of change. Most people think a glow-up needs expensive products, cosmetic procedures, or hours at the gym, but that's far from the truth. Real transformation doesn't start with money, it starts with small daily habits, silent routines that compound over time. And today, I'm giving you 45 of them, all easy, practical, and proven to make you look sharper, cleaner, healthier, and more confident in the next 30 days. Let's make this quick, natural, and straight to the point. No fillers, just real glow-up habits that work. 1. Exfoliate your lips and apply lip balm. Dry, cracked lips ruin your facial look instantly. Use a lip scrub or lightly brush with a soft toothbrush every week, and finish with lip balm, preferably with SPF. 2. Keep your shoes clean. People notice shoes more than you believe. Clean, well-kept shoes instantly signal attention to detail. 3. Drink water first thing in the morning. You're dehydrated after sleep. Hydrating early improves skin elasticity and energy. 4. Trim nose and ear hair weekly. Tiny things matter. Grooming them keeps your look sharp and intentional. 5. Use a clay mask if you have oily skin. It helps unclog pores and reduces shine. 6. Apply beard oil or balm. A rough beard looks messy. Oil softens it and adds structure. 7. Cut screen time before bed. Late scrolling affects sleep, and poor sleep affects your face. You'll wake up looking drained if you don't fix this. 8. Chew from both sides of your mouth. It maintains facial symmetry. Number 9. Use a long-lasting cologne. Your scent defines your presence. Pick one that's clean and memorable. 10. Practice deep breathing. Stress affects your skin. 10 slow breaths can help release tension and increase oxygen flow. 11. Brush and floss twice a day. Clean teeth and fresh breath are non-negotiable. 12. Eat fruits and vegetables daily. Your skin reflects what you eat. Clean foods lead to clear skin. 13. Line up your beard once a week. A proper outline enhances your jawline. 14. Exfoliate your face twice weekly. Clears dead skin and improves texture. 15. Use a caffeine eye serum. Reduces puffiness and helps your eyes look more awake. 16. Reduce sugar and junk food. Better skin, less bloating, more clarity. 17. Take progress photos every 2 weeks. You might not see the change daily, but the camera will. 18. Shower properly. Use a scrub, not just water. Pay attention to your back, feet, and underarms. 19. Smile genuinely. A natural smile makes you instantly more approachable. 20. Wear colors that work with your skin tone. Bright colors brighten your appearance immediately. 21. Sleep at least 7 hours. No product can cover sleep deprivation. 22. Use a tongue scraper. Helps eliminate bad breath. 23. Apply sunscreen every day. Prevents aging and pigmentation. 24. Fix your posture. Straight spine, shoulders back, instant confidence boost. 25. Drink lemon water or green tea. Detoxifies and helps digestion. 26. Start working out at home. Push-ups, squats, planks, your body responds quickly. 27. Change your pillowcase every 3 days. Helps prevent acne buildup. 28. Learn how to style your hair. A haircut is step 1. Styling is what makes it personal. 29. Iron or steam your clothes. Wrinkles silently ruin a clean look. 30. Take omega-3 supplements. Promotes healthy skin and hair. 31. Choose a beard style based on your face shape. Accentuate your best angles. 32. Use a separate towel for your face. Prevents transferring bacteria. 33. Read regularly. Sharpened mindset reflects in how you speak and carry yourself. 34. Stay consistent. One day won't do it, daily repetition will. 35. Get a haircut based on face structure, not trends. What suits you matters more than what's popular. 36. Trim your nails weekly. Clean hands matter more than you realize. 37. Stop negative self-talk. Your inner voice shapes how you carry yourself. 38. Don't pop pimples. Use spot treatment instead. 39. Practice mewing. Tongue resting on the roof of your mouth improves jawline over time. 40. Make strong eye contact. reflects confidence and presence. 41. Use a facial cleanser, not bar soap. Keeps your face clean without damage. 42. Walk at least 5,000 to 10,000 steps daily. Helps with posture, circulation, and fat burn. 43. Clean your phone screen. Your face often touches it, don't let bacteria spread. 44. Wear clothes that fit properly. Fit beats brand every time. 45. Moisturize twice a day. Hydrated skin looks healthy, smooth, and bright. Now think about this for a second. None of these habits are expensive. None require hours at the gym or fancy salon visits. They're simple adjustments to how you live your daily life. But if you stay consistent for just 30 days, your skin, posture, facial symmetry, energy levels, and overall presence will noticeably improve. You'll start to look like the type of person who takes care of themselves not because they're obsessed with appearance, but because they respect themselves. And here's the truth most people miss. Your glow up doesn't start with a big change. It starts with brushing your teeth properly, drinking water earlier, standing taller, wearing a clean outfit. That's how self-respect builds. Habit by habit, day by day. So, if this video gave you even one new habit to start today, hit the like button. If you want more videos that show how to transform without fake hacks or huge budgets, subscribe. Your best version isn't far. It's hidden inside everyday choices. Start today, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.